Hi everyone, welcome to Tara's Take. So today I'm super excited because I have a new digital kit that I've created, and the reason I'm so excited about this one is because I think this is the first time I've actually done a premiere of a kit and like taking you through it. The reason I'm excited about this one is because I actually created this on Photoshop. Some of you will be like, so what's the big deal? Well, I've been working and trying to figure out Photoshop forever. And by God's grace, He took mercy on me and took me by the hand and has begun guiding me through it because I just had a hard time with it. Really, it did. And so I've created this kit, and this was the very first page I created in the kit. The kit's called Wild Roses, and I didn't stick to a certain color theme. I stuck to the theme of roses. I just really liked going all over the place with different colors. As we go through the pages, you'll see. But this one has a lot of peach tones and reds, and then I've highlighted some of the roses. And I really love this particular slashing color that I've got through many of the pages. I really enjoy it. It's kind of chaotic and makes it wild, and that's what made me think of the Wild Roses. And so yeah, so that's page one, and we'll just go through them and you can look at them. I'm not going to keep you here forever, but I wanted you to see it on video so you could see it printed out and how it looks. It's kind of fun. I'm thinking I'm going to do like a journal, a rose journal probably, or at least do some projects creating stuff from the kit so you guys can see. This one is Vanessa's favorite. She purchased the kit today. Thank you, Vanessa. And she loves purple. So when I was making this, I was actually had her in mind. I was thinking of her because I knew she would love this page. So yeah, there's that one. And as you can see, they don't, like I said, they are different color schemes, different rose colors, and just fun. I put some butterflies in some of them. And yeah, I had so much fun making this. Honestly, I can't wait to start another one. I love this page. This is probably one of my very favorite pages. The purple one and this one, I think, are my two favorites. So yeah, this is more grungy. I'm thinking I love this effect, and so I may end up making a kit with something like that eventually. But this one's got more butterflies in it, smaller ones. I tend to use butterflies a lot, don't I? But I couldn't believe I actually created something with Photoshop. I know that probably sounds silly, but I was so stoked. I'm not kidding. I've just been thanking Jesus. And I'm learning how to operate it, little by little. I'm hoping my kits get better and better because I'm learning different, different tools and skill sets within that program. But this one's really nice. I like this one. I love these flowers, the peach colored ones. Oh, and this one was so much fun to build. This was actually done with multiple pictures and different art, backgrounds and stuff to create the effect. And I loved it. It was so fun. So fun. And it reminds me of, I grew up in the country. It reminds me of homes that we had on the farm, back on the farms in Indiana when I was a kid. Yeah, so I really like that page. And I did kind of lean into the, I love the French. I am half French, so I can claim that, right? Because I do love to use a lot of French words and, settings. This one has the Eiffel Tower. I really do love this page as well. This is the one I think I gave you guys as a freebie on Facebook. Yeah, so I really, really enjoy the way this one turned out. It was fun. Oh, and this one. This is another one. I love this one. Especially the little bird. Oh, it's so cute with the browns. It just sets it off, You know how I feel about brown and blue, so. And this kit comes with 20 background pages that are done in a horizontal, and they'll come to you in a what do you call it? A zip drive, and there'll be 5 zip drives in the kit. I love this little cup of tea right here. So cute. It's sitting on the, like the edge of the porch or whatever of the picture. But yeah, we've got 20 background sheets, and you have 12 fussy cut sheets. And like you can see, they're in all these different color schemes, but all about the roses, the floral. And I used a lot of ivy in the background. I love the ivy, and I thought that was a lot of fun. This is probably another one of my favorites right here. I have a lot of favorites in this kit. I really, really enjoyed making it. So yeah, you'll get 32 pages total in this kit, and it is available in the Etsy shop. I really, really liked making it. And then here's some of these are the fussy cut pages. So you get different size journal cards. You have a few pages of those. And then I like to use the circles as decorative for the page, or I also like to use them as pockets and as journal cards. And these are bigger, so you can use them as a journal card, and they'd be a fun tuck. And then you have some that have the torn edge effect. And then we've got the little circles. I love to use these just to decorate ephemera. I think they're a lot of fun to put as background. You can collage with them. On this page, I was going to correct this because when I printed it out, I saw that it was right at the edge. However, the reason I didn't change this one and fix it is because technically they're the same size. On the page on Photoshop, it looked like it had some white there, but I figured this would just let you cut it right out. They're the same size, so just let you cut it right out with only 2 cuts instead of 3. So I just went ahead and left that. But this is more of a torn edge. And then we have a whole page with every single thing in the kit. Every single background is represented here with stamps. Really nice page of stamps. I was thinking I might do a kit that has a kit for stamps that has like a combo of all of my different kits that just stamp pages, you know, as backgrounds and to use for decorating and stuff. Just fun. And then here's another page with tags. Okay. And then we have a page with, I really like these, the shields. I don't see these a lot, and I thought those looked fun. So when I cut one out already and kind of distressed it a little bit so you get to see it, I thought it was cute. And then we've got these oval cuts. Okay. These can also be used as small journal cards or to go into little tiny tuck spots. Then we have the bigger version of almost a banner type. What would you call these? I'm not really sure what these are called, but I figured they could be a nice little either a pocket journal card, and they're nice enough, they're big enough that they can be used either as a card or as a small pocket. And you could put these in there as a pocket to tuck in, or the smaller ones here, or the shields. And then we have 2 more pages of journal cards, and these have the beveled edges, and you can cut this pink off or leave it on, whatever you want. It's, you know, you can distress over it. I thought it was a pretty edge around them. So you've got 2 full pages of those, and then you have pockets and tuck pockets. Okay. And then this last page, this banner type, either tuck spot, pocket, journal card, you know, smaller. These I think would be really nice pockets if they're printed out on like a cardstock, and those could be used as a really nice pocket. So that is the Wild Rose Junk Journal Digital Kit. And I was thinking, and I wanted to say this really quick, I also think that the background pages could be utilized on some of these as a really pretty like art. Oops, I've got them upside down. Like a piece, like framed, and, you know, put on your wall, because these turned out, I think they turned out really pretty. and would be a fun actual piece of digital art, you know, if you wanted. I know we don't think in those terms usually because we're making them for our junk journals, but I don't know. I like that. And if I had that in a frame, I think it'd be beautiful, you know. So that's what I was thinking. It could also be used for that. Because I know I have some folks in the Facebook group and on the channel who are friends from like church and stuff who don't do crafting. But this is something, it's, you know, something you can get the kit and you can have all these different backgrounds as that you could frame and make really pretty on your walls. So anyway, so thank you for coming along with me and checking out my first Photoshopped DigiKit. I appreciate you being with me, and I hope you visit the shop and take a look at what I've got over there. Have a great day. I love you guys. Bye-bye.